Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Elite Cars. Today we're unveiling the 2026 Lexus LC 500, a masterpiece that seamlessly blends luxury, performance, and cutting-edge design. This model retains the iconic 5.0-liter V8 engine, delivering a thrilling 471 horsepower, ensuring an exhilarating drive every time. The exterior captivates with its sleek lines and aggressive stance, now enhanced by the addition of scissor doors, a feature that not only elevates its aesthetic appeal but also adds a futuristic touch to this already stunning vehicle. Inside, the LC 500 offers a driver-focused cockpit adorned with premium materials, state-of-the-art technology, and unparalleled craftsmanship, providing both comfort and sophistication. If you're enjoying this preview, don't forget to subscribe to Elite Cars and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support helps us bring you the latest in automotive excellence. The 2026 Lexus LC 500 is not just a car, it's an experience that redefines what a luxury sports coupe can be. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and test drives, and thank you for watching Elite Cars.